up, everybody? It's your boy LSX Vic. I hope you guys are having a good day today. In today's video, I'm going to be taking the 24x11 Dropstars to go get mounted on some tires, and then I'm going to be purchasing the front tires as well for the Sierra. So yeah, let's do it. To the tire shop so I can go pick up these tires from my boy who came in clutch, because I was looking for some tires. I need some 275 by 30 24s, I think. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna go pick up the tires, and then I'm gonna head over to my Suegro's tire shop a little bit later in the day. Got to mount it because I don't really trust a lot of tire shops to mount them, because they might end up scratching a rim. And I've had them for like a week now. They've just been chilling in the box because I've been looking for tires for the right tire sizes. I am running a staggered style on the truck. It's a 24x11 in the rear and 24x9 in the front. So I'm here at the tire shop, and those are the rims that my boy had. Dub Ballers 24s. Except that they said that they can't unmount 24s here because this machine goes up to only 22. Kind of sucks, but I'm gonna have to see right now what my boy wants to do. Probably go to another tire shop or whatever. But yeah, I'm currently waiting on my boy to get here. Alright guys, so let me turn down the music a little bit. So right now I got the truck over here in the garage. I'm gonna take off this one on the front, or I might do both of them on the front just to see how they look with the 24s. My homie actually let me borrow his Dub Ballers, so to get an idea how my Dropstars are gonna sit on the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and, or I might do the back first, I don't know. I'll set up the tripod right now so you guys can see everything. Get my daily Red Bull. I can't do shit without Red Bull. Vamos a echarle poquita gasolina a la mamorona, and I'll show you guys once we get to the shop. Alright guys, so we made it safely to the tire shop. Right now we're gonna take the tire off the rim and basically just put it on the Dropstars to see how they look and all that, and I will show you guys after he puts the tire on my rims. I'm not going to record my Suegro just because I want to be respectful. Alright, what's up guys? So I'm picking up the camera from I think, what was it, Sunday? I don't remember what day it was. I think it might have been Sunday or Saturday was the last time I came to the tire shop when I had to order the tires. Well, they just got here, so I'm pulling up. I'm like 5 minutes away. I'm pulling up right now. I got the Dropstars in the back. We're gonna get them mounted today, and then I'm gonna shoot some little cinematic clips for you guys. And then yeah, so I'll catch you guys when the tires are mounted and we're on our way back to the crib. Alright guys, so I forgot to record an outro. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications when we start doing the cam install on the truck, hopefully soon. So yeah.